Where did he go?
You should open that door and find out.
This is the bathroom.
Oh, wait, where's your head? Dude, no, you're breaking my door, man.
What the fuck? Why do you have the keg in here? What is wrong with you? I threw a piece of chicken at you.
I got beer.
Give me this.
No.
I killed him.
Man, you okay up in here?
Well, let's go destroy him. Destroy Keith. Destroy Keith. Destroy Keith.
Get in there and do it.
Chicken. Let's put it in.
Hold on, wait. Let's see what you do to him. Let's see what you did to him.
I shut nasty old chicken in his face and he ate it.
Open the door and let's see it.
No, he's... It's not good what's in there, man. It's coming out!
Colt, you're making a lot of fucking noise. You know you broke my door.
I didn't break it. I was all doing eat chicken. I was just eating the chicken.
You just broke my fucking door on the back.
Colt broke this shit.
Look at that.
Blame that shit on me.
I'm not blaming on none of y'all. I'm just saying y'all broke my door.
I got you.
No more going in the bathroom unless you're urinating.
I was just trying to drink beer and y'all fucking bum rushed me and took my keg.
Who's Colt? Colt took your keg.
You... What do you mean you keg? I paid more for that keg than you did. You... I already ate off that chicken before you ate off it. Suck that?
I gotta stop drinking, man.
We'll drink some more.
No, stop drinking. Go to sleep, Colt.
Where's... My goodness. Where's my cup at?
Bird bath. Bird bath. Taking the bird bath. I'm taking bird bath.
Oh my god, there's shit on the floor already.
Alright, I dried off.